We have started our STP operation in the month of February. Before that, we have a lot of issues regarding the sewage leakage. There's complaint from the residents, there's owners, that smell is coming, that leakage is going outside on the roadside. Then we approached Mr. Degde to set up the STP, and the management has responded quickly so that we can start our STP project in time. We have said now, after starting the STP, the problem has been almost solved. There is no leakage, there is no smelling of that water, and the water is tested. It's safe to be disposed of in the garden and river also. And now the operation for the last 3-4 months, there is no problem with the operation of the STP plant. It is operating smoothly, and the contractor has been given us service and is maintaining it. Whenever there is some issue of there is some blockage and all, he is coming quickly and responding to our calls for the maintaining it.
So earlier you used to have the conventional septic tanks.
Yeah, conventional, it is there. There is some main septic tank was having, it is old and it is getting leaked, overflowing, and we have to hire the tankers, and it is costing us very high, because one tanker is to cost around 8,000 per trip, and in the before the season and after the season we have to bring at least 20-25 tankers to empty the tank. But after starting the STP, now we have avoided that cost of tankers, and it is now operating smoothly.
So all of that cost is now saved for you.
Saved.
I found out that you have now extra water that is going into the gardens and also.
Yes. But in the season time we require that lot of water to be for the gardening.
Right.
We'll be using that for the gardening.
So season time means the tourist time, which is.
Tourist time. Yeah.
So a lot of groundwater recharge is also kind of happening right now.
Yes.
And you have a beautiful river in the backyard, so it's a beautiful property. This is how many villas are there in this?
We have 71 villas, 16 apartments, and 44 shops.
44 shops also. Great.
All sewage is coming to the.
What's the quantity of sludge that you are getting, like the sewage volume?
Yeah, it is around. We have set up now at 20 KLD, but we require the more. In the second stage, we will be setting up one more of 20 KLD. That is this budget is there in the second
Wonderful.
stage. Yes.
So you're happy with the project, and it's delivering as per your expectation.
Yes.
Great.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.